Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the location services by specific apps on your iPhone. So if you no longer want to have on like Snapchat or something like that, you can just manually turn it off. So let's go to settings right here. And then under the main settings menu, let's scroll down to where it says privacy and security. Then right here is location services. Then we can completely turn it off on all apps if we go to this. But if we scroll on down, we can find an application that we want to turn it off for. So maybe it's under like Google or Compass or something like that, or camera. So let's just go to Find My, for example. And we can just go to Never. And then you can turn off the precise location too. Now when you use that application, it's not going to be able to access your location at all. So just find the app you don't want it using anymore. Sometimes Photos is sharing my location, and I don't like that. So sometimes I'll turn it off on here, and then I won't see that when I go back to my photos. So if you want to turn off on everything up here, otherwise go buy the specific app down here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.